What's up, guys? Today we're going to be changing out trailer lights on a dump trailer that I built. And the original trailer was a jet ski, double-decker jet ski trailer, and I took it apart and made it into a dump trailer. I don't really like the lights that were on it, so we're going to be changing those. They were like this, and we are now going to put them into a steel box like this, and also with the light on top, kind of like that, and that way it's in with the fender. The last one, the last light stuck out of the fender, and as we were going around a brick wall that was kind of tight, the light got hit and destroyed. So that's what happened. Here's our old piece right here, just a piece of L-shaped tubing, and you can see it's all bent. So we're going to toughen it up and make it to where we can actually step on these if we need. Because there has been times I needed to step on them. I almost am thinking about maybe even putting them like this. I don't know yet. It does look pretty cool. That way it's not up. But if you put it like this, you're not going to be able to step on it. So you got to remember that. So probably going to put it back how it was at the top, and then I can step on it. So that gives me a nice little area. All right, got it welded on. You can see all the nice penetration. Don't laugh at my welds. That corner one was actually pretty good. And these are just 3 big old tacks at the back. This thing's solid. I do feel like I can stand on it and be all right. So now what we'll do is when it cools down, we'll put the wires through here and get it all wired up. Get the reverse light hooked back up, and then here's our 2 wires for brake and turn signal. And that's our ground. We'll have to re-ground that somewhere. There should be one more of these green wires. Oh, there it is. Brown, I'm sorry. So I do believe running light is brown and the green will be turn signal. I did this on purpose so that I can get to it easier. This is my reverse wire. I just gotta slide this back over and then take this little connector piece right here and move it down here more, or up here more. We'll figure that out. I think it's down though. So not much more left, just gotta ground it. Which, hey, here's the ground right here. We can use that hole and ground it out right there. And then we have our new lights right here, LED, and one of our running lights right there. So I'm very excited. It's almost cool enough. It's still warm. So we're gonna wait. I gotta pull the trailer out and over to get to the other one. So that will be another day, but today is this. So as it's drying, I'm gonna go get my paint and I'm gonna paint this. Usually I do it with a sprayer, but being such a small part, we're just gonna hit it with a paintbrush and call it good. Alright, so we got it all painted up. We used this little paintbrush thing that I had. I had a small paintbrush, but I know those really leave a lot of streaks. This actually did pretty decent. I'm pretty happy. They're just one of these little pad things. Usually use them for the corners. but a couple little small runs, but no one's gonna see it, and it's a trailer. So, with that being said, I'm happy. So we'll do another coat on it. I'll pull off those runs real quick with my little paintbrush. I put it in a bag. A little painter's trick is to put stuff like this in a bag, and you can actually reuse it, and on top of that it stays for longer periods of time. Reason I took it off of this little thing is because I didn't know if it was going to dry up or not, and I didn't want it to dry up on there. So that's what I did. Go, no more run. Yeah, whatever. Like I said, it's a trailer, and this is what it does. So now it's painted. We let it dry. I'll be putting the light on there, and then we will be doing a wiring and checking out to see if it works. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the trailer lights. That's the running light. Here's the running light right there. Running light. And you see the nice light down here shining the license plate, keeping it legal in California. Now we'll go just blinker. This would be the right side blinker. Ta-da! Not here, that's a running light. Just blinker. And we'll go to left side blinker. Ta-da! Nice. It's looking good. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I did like making that video. I always like getting stuff done, and sometimes I do forget to film or doesn't film all of it. If you guys want anything else in the video, let me know. Let's see what else I can do for you guys.